what do you call it? It's a female adapter. Yeah, people. 1.5 inches. This is the drain which it's a 4x4 drain. So, and it's 1.5 inch connection. They have a lot of different type of drain. So, this is the one we're going to use. So I'm now going to get this screw on right on this piece of metal. This is going to push over the pipe. I'm going to attach it in this section and just push it on the pipe. This piece can also be removed, my peeps. Alright guys, so get this measure like such. I'm gonna cut off the excess pipe that we don't need, so we can have this push on and attach it up. I'll scratch out the excess stones out of this thing. That is the reason why we didn't cast right here, guys, because you see how tall this is. It's actually 2.5 inches. So it comes, this thing very high. So that's why we don't cast this, we leave the spacing to take any adjustment. You know, we have some of the shower drains that can adjust. So I'm going to scratch out this thing and line it up to where I want it. Alright. We don't want it too high or too low, I believe so. Depends. Use a long level and put on top of it. You can see the fall in the shower here, so the water can run down to this section. Bring this over some more. Right. So you know you still have to leave the spacing for the tile and things set, guys, so you can't just leave this flush with the concrete. You have to take it up about 1/2 inches or so from off the concrete. 1/2 inch, so you know that it will get the thin set on the tile. So you don't want it too low or too high, you just want it the right height. I guess I can work with this. Alright, so that's the height. So cut this about. See what's up here. Put this right about there. Can just push on that over the pipe. Get what we need out of it. You understand, guys? So I have a piece of hacksaw blade right here. This is what I'm going to use to cut this pipe. Don't have any of them tools right now to cut this thing. Don't have any grinder right here, or any Zaza or any stuff like that, so I'm going to use a piece of hacksaw blade. Well, the grinder is nearby but no electricity, so just going to improvise. Use a piece of hacksaw blade. get this job done. You understand? That is it. Clean off the excess flour of this thing. On the inside and the outside. Clean off any excess debris of this pipe. Also, that is it. So let me rough check this thing now. See how much height is on it. Wow, nice. Don't want this thing too flat, you know, guys. You understand? I have to leave a fall in this place so the water can run out. Don't want it level. This is good enough. Things are done time. Check this thing. I also want this thing to be level. Oh dear. Alright. Alright, so we have some tangent right there, so we have a cleaner. Two different tangent, be careful. This is for it's a multi-purpose cement, guys. And used for multi-purpose work. You understand? This is the one that we use to do the tangenting for the hot water pipe. And we use this one for the cold water. So I'm gonna put down this one. We'll use this one and get the cleaner. Alright guys, so here's the cleaner right here. Clean off any excess dust or whatever dirt is on the pipe. Not a certified plumber, I know guys, but I'm just doing my own DIY project, you understand? Alright, that is it. We get some in this thing too. I'm gonna clean out in this also. Reason being, it will the tangent better. Alright. You must get your diamond. Just like that. Put some in this thing also. And we are on to the fixing. Make it a level. Blast people. properly lined up now. Right. Good. Alright guys, that is it. I'll pour some concrete around this thing right now and leave it to dry. So in here will be basically completed for now. So this just leaves the tile. That is it. Yeah man people, I mix up some concrete right now, probably about a bucket of concrete, and just cast around the area right here. So stay tuned guys. Add some water in this thing. Wash off the excess dust off of these areas. Casting with a slant. Also we need to leave the tile space and thin set space. Just like that people, we are through the shower area. So you can see we have a lot of space underneath it. But we'll take the thin set of the tile later on, you understand? Quarter of an inch. The tiles are not thick enough guys, so tiles are like quarter inch that we're gonna use in here, and the thin set, so we have a lot of space. Yeah guys, so we're tiling, we're gonna tile, and you know the tile is gonna come and flush right here, so the water can run straight in the drain. So we're gonna list back the tile list it so the water won't flow and bank up on this water. So we're gonna list this piece of tile, let it come back to the drain, and also the side pieces later on. We're gonna list them down here, and over the other side just the same. We're gonna list everything towards the drain so the water can flow right in there. So that is for when the tiling is gonna be done.